Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Elizabeth, wine educator at Calkins Vineyard, bringing you today's pantry pairing. We have something really tasty today, our 2017 Syrah. I'm super pumped to be talking about this wine. It took a 5-year hiatus and finally we have it back and it's released. So we're gonna make burgers because it's finally sunny out, it's almost 80 degrees and I really want burgers right now. Plus anything to get outside and throwing something on the grill is always just a treat. So we're gonna make some homemade burgers with cheddar cheese, and then I also have a bacon jam that I'm gonna start making here as well. And we're pairing up this bacon jam delicious burger with the Syrah because Syrah is a little bit more rich, a little bit more robust, and it can really hold up to charred flavors, spicy flavors, or something super meaty really, really well. So let's get started. With the summer season coming up, you don't have to stick to just burgers and hot dogs on the grill when it comes to Syrah. Any type of barbecue is fantastic with Syrah. Fried chicken, anything that's like super salty and fried and crunchy go really, really well with Syrah. And then of course, you know, you've got your classics, just like with Pinot from the Willamette Valley. Syrah from the Willamette Valley is gonna go with pizza or pasta, things of that nature, so you can't really go wrong. Diving in, guys, just for you. Bacon jam, so good. Salty, savory, sweet. Can't get enough, guys. All right, thank you so much, guys, for joining me in my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this burger and this wine as much as I do. Stay tuned for more pantry pairings, virtual tastings, live tastings, a tasting with David and Eugenia coming up. There's so much happening on Calkins Instagram. But as always, can't wait to taste with you again in the tasting room soon. Stay healthy and cheers.